Namaskar, welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to paint white color flowers with acrylic paints, and I'll be painting on canvas cloth. You can paint on anything. So first we'll draw the outline of the flowers and then we will start the painting. So we need only pencil, eraser and sharpener, ruler, and for painting we need the acrylic or poster color or whatever you want to use, oil paints and brushes. Okay, let's start. Have to leave the place for the framing. So I'm leaving roughly one scale, and this distance is around 4.6 centimeter or approximately 2 inches. Okay, so we have drawn border on all the four sides. First, I'll draw what I'm going to do. So this will be the contemporary. It's up to you what you want to do. 5 petals. On the side, we won't see so much. So cup won't be fully circular. This is the side view. This will be the topmost flower, and third will draw like this. And in this also we can draw little bigger petals, some smaller one here. So this will be the realistic flower. Just for our reference, I'm drawing a big circle. Now the first flower. There are 3 styles of petals I have told you just now. You can select any one. Please show this little bit up. And now I'm going to use gold narrow brush, and this is gold paint. This is brown. Then on the top of it, yellow. So that is how layers will come. So this is our knife. Let's say this is the 1 and 2 number. So this is the way we put the paint on the knife. Okay, invert it. Not like this. Not this way. Okay. We will put it inverted this way. And from one side we will apply the paint here as smooth as possible. But because this is a flower, so we can show the crease also. Because in the flower, sometimes we can see the crease. And then I'm taking little yellow. Done. Gold. We'll wait for this layer to dry. In the meantime, I'm going to use this thin brush and I'm going to use gold paint. Only to show that there is a thin line between two petals, and later on a shadow is coming, only to show. And this color will merge here. We will give here brown color, green color. Again, I'm going to use the yellow. See, again, I'm showing with the brush. So those don't have knife, don't worry. You can use even the plastic knife which comes with the food packets now. You can use that to smoothen the surface or to give a 3D effect to surface. But then you have to use lots of paint. Now I'm covering the border. Okay. You can mix your yellow, you can clean your palette, you can use your white, different colors you can use, and finish all the paints in this. Some long, some short. We can use dark brown, we can use even maroon in it. Even if you give a touch of blue now, it will look very nice. We are going to use black, dark gray light gray, gold, and white. So first step is to correct the shapes of flowers. If you don't have gold paint, then you can use the silver paint and dark green color, and it will turn into gold. Just random strokes, but little. I'm just trying to cover little bit this. Too much of yellow and brown. This is gold in my brush and just little shading. And now we'll complete the remaining background. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.